Singer 211G 156, walking foot with reverse. Missing a couple of pieces. So here we can see the setup for the walking foot. Not sure if that's focusing. There it is. And now spinning it by hand. You can see the walking foot isn't doing anything, but that's because when I took this apart, there's a rod that fell out of it. And we can see that it's missing part of the tension. So, let's look down here. There's no finish left on that basket, but it's turning. You can see the needle and the dog moving. I'd like to put it in reverse. I don't know that I can. Reverse does work, but I can't put it in reverse. Oh, maybe I can. There we go, now it's in reverse. I'm not sure if you can actually tell that it's going in reverse. From my angle, I can see the dog pretty well going in reverse. Now I'll just lift it up. And now it's going in the proper direction. Now it's going forward. Okay, so that's what it looks like. The top of it, and a lot of the finish is off of it. And we turn it around to this side. And so when we pull this up, nothing happens. And here we can see the crack. And I'll spin it around. Where's the front of it? And show the crack on this side. Right there. So this does need to get lubed up. That much I know because I just got done cleaning it. And since I've cleaned it... Oh shucks, I just dropped a piece. This is what it looks like. I don't know how well you can see this. Oh, but I do have help right next to me. Nah, but it's not plugged in. Shucks. So I'll change. Okay, this is what it looks like. Looks like with an LED portable light, so to speak. This is a magnetic light that goes on these machines. And I don't think spinning it's going to do any good right now. The belt appears to be in nice shape. You can't really see it much, but it looks good. Okay, that's it.